Guys, I'm back with something very useful and interesting which will boggle your mind a lot, and which is so useful that it will be useful for disabled people. So I built a mouse. So see, I built here a model called mouse scroller, in which whenever you push the camera to back black looking sheet, it will scroll down, and whenever you push back the camera to white looking sheet, it will scroll up. So basically, this and it has a code which is shown in this which is in this computer. So this will basically detect the color using some special AI algorithms, and then when after detecting the color, it will, according to the color, it will scroll. If the color is black, it will scroll down, and if the color is white, it will scroll up. It's for people who have fingers disabled or can't use mouse or are mouse illiterates. So let me walk through my code to do this. So here I've imported my camera module called CV2 using Python, and Torch which has all the AI algorithms in it, and PyAuto GUI. So first I'm doing some safety configuration, PyAuto GUI.faceSafe false, and then I use the camera here with my special camera index, which is of this webcam, and then I will check that whether the and then I check whether the scroll has happened first time or not. When it's happened first time, so it will click that the place, and then after that it will start scrolling it down to one level. So here I am reading the the video capture which was here, and I am showing the video capture here just for test, and and here the main thing is happening for color detection. I'm defining MSE loss, mean squared entropy loss, which is mostly used in training AI neural networks. It is used that how wrong the tensor is. You all might know tensors are containers of numbers, and whenever you subtract or add them, basically you are adding multiple numbers in one container, and then you are giving another container. So image is basically matrix of numbers, in which it is basically, you can consider matrix of number, but it's technically not, because it has three dimensions. The first one is the it has width, height. It has few dimensions: height, width, and then your channels. Channels are basically representing the pixels RGB numbers. So here I am converting the image matrix to the TOS tensor object, and here I am creating the tensor where black colored image with the same image size is defined. So these two similar size will have a difference. Let me explain you about this AI algorithm. This is basically used in regression training, where it tells that how wrong the regression is in a training loop. If you all understand training loop, then I don't have to go much in this. So this basically is a loss in which first the difference is calculated from two tensors. After calculating the difference, they are squared, and after that mean is found to them. So basically this tells approximately that how different two tensors are, and this will basically calculate how dark the image is, and then after getting the darkness, I'm getting the threshold of 2000. If the darkness level is 2000, then it will start scrolling. Here it will check that if the user is scrolling first time, then it will click that place so that it starts scrolling, and then after that it will scroll, and then after that it will set that the press for first time is equal to true. Well, which means that we have scrolled for first time, or the first time was that did the user scroll. The rest of the code you can see in my repo. Now let me show you the demo. So here I am showing the camera view so that we can check that which color is it showing. Currently it's neither black nor white, so because of that it's not scrolling or doing anything. But see, whenever I bring it to the basically black color, so it will start scrolling. So let me show you the exciting and mind-boggling part. See. Now whenever I push this here to the black zone, it will start scrolling. See, it started scrolling the website. Yay! And whenever I bring it to the white part, see, it started scrolling website up. Now let's imagine I can't, my fingers are not working, but I can still push or pull. See, let's see my fingers. Now I can push it down. See, it's scrolling down. Now I pull it up. See, it's scrolling up. Now see, now I've set it back to the normal place, so it's not scrolling anymore. Bye.